Hey my peeps, let's make some macaron Christmas trees. So I'm going to be using molds for this and some green clay. So I'm going to use two big molds, a medium sized one and a small one, to make my Christmas tree. I found these two molds on Temu. You can find them there. If I find them, I will leave a link so you can grab them. But anyways, you want to make sure that you press this into your mold pretty nicely, and if it sticks to the mold, you can use Vaseline, rub it in there with a brush or something to help you remove your little icing mold. So when you take out the mold and you're getting ready to put it on to, we're going to start with the two big pieces, like those are going to be the macaron. You don't, okay, so this clay is dry. You want to let these molds dry overnight so that they can firm up. I'm using tacky glue since it's dry and I need this clay to stick. So now I'm not laying this down flat. I'm laying the icing on its side because I wanted to give height to my macaron, okay? So you can see right there, it's not laying flat, it's up on the side, okay? So when you put the top part, you see how it looks? With the icing on the side, not laying flat. Make sure you put some more glue on the top when you put the top of the macaron on. Now see how nice that looks? It got height, you can see the icing and everything. That's what I was going for, okay? So now we're gonna do the medium layer and we're gonna make another strip of icing. These macarons, you could like even make ornaments out of them. I think I'm gonna turn mine into an ornament, even though I didn't do it in this video, but I am going to turn mine into an ornament. So you're going to do the same thing that you did to the bottom one. Make sure you glue it down to the sides. Do not lay it flat. I mean, you can lay it flat if you want to. Now, I'm not saying you can't, but I didn't do that because I wanted it to give the height and I wanted to see each individual layer so it can make the tree look, so that it can make it look more like a tree. So just cut it. Now make sure that these ends touch. Where you cut off, make sure they touch because when it starts drying, they will separate. Okay? Now don't push it down too hard, but you just want to make sure that it's on there good. Now you're going to take your macaron, and you're just going to glue it on top of the bottom piece. See, just like that. And now we're just going to do the same thing with the small size macaron. Okay, I love this mold. This icing mold is like one of my favorites, and I like that macaron mold too because it comes with 3 different sizes in one. So anyway, we're gonna get some glue and just gonna do the same thing again. Make sure you lay it up on the sides and cut the excess off. Make sure it touches where the 2 parts meet, and you should be good. Now you're going to put some glue on that. Make sure it sticks nicely because the clay is dry. Okay, you see? See how it's starting to look like a little tree already? So now you can put a little bit of icing at the top if you want or not, but I put a little, just a little of the piece of icing that was left over at the top, and then I'm gonna put a star in it. Like I had a star, but I don't think that star was big enough, but I went with it because that's the only star that I had. It looks pretty small here. I think it is. You could use a bigger star, but I'm just using what I have. And just stick it in the middle right there. And then I'm gonna decorate it with some colorful beads. These are just fake sprinkles that I got from Playco 3, and I'm just gonna take a little dab of glue and put it on the spot where I want the bead to go. And make sure you push that bead in, okay? And I'm just gonna do that throughout the whole tree until I fill it up at the top. And then after that, you're done. But like I said, if you wanted to, you could turn this into an ornament. It would be really cute. And you don't have to make it in green. You can make it in pink or any other color that you want. I just chose green because I wanted it to be a tree. But there you go. I think this is cute. So I hope you make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.